welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and in today's video it's something completely different away from cars. It's actually, we're going to be showing you guys exactly what we're doing, so how to paint a wall. Something very, very different, not done this before, so we're no experts on painting, and I'm sure those of you who are experts on painting will say no, there's better ways to do it. However, it's just to show you what we've been doing on the wall so far. In terms of the solution that we've gone for, we actually next door painted the unit next door when we first moved in 2018. We had loads of issues actually finding out a good way to paint a workshop wall. So I'm going to be going through exactly what we're doing today. Lewis has been working on this wall today. He's done really, really well. And I'm going to be going through exactly what we're using. So as you can see, we've got the wall being painted. So this is a 5,000 square foot workshop, which is expanding, that we're going on from our 6,000 square foot workshop on the other side. So as you can see, partially painted this wall so far, and then this is the untreated wall. So obviously, as you can see, we've got sort of breeze block here all the way through, and as you can see, it's got quite a lot of sort of holes in it. And what we were finding when we painted the last workshop next door, what we found was that it was basically soaking in a hell of a lot of paint, and it was costing a ton of money. So what we're doing on this wall, something very, a lot better basically as a solution. Look, this has sped up the time massively. What we're doing is using an air compressor, and then through here, I'll show you the paint that we're using. So we are using smooth masonry paint. So this is from Paint UK. Really good stuff. We actually use this same paint next door. However, that was done on with mostly with a paintbrush, and then we realized that was taking way too long, so we bought a air compressor. So Lewis is doing that at the moment, and it's actually going on really well. So basically, to paint these walls, it takes around about sort of this wall here is near enough finished, so that's about 4 coats or near enough. It does take quite a bit of time to do, but it's really effective. Changes the look of the place completely. So as you can see here, sort of a semi-finished wall over to a non-finished wall, just gives a really nice clean new look. And then we're going to do a red pinstripe all the way along the top. That matches our design on the wall next door in next door's unit. So we've got these grey pillars, we've masked them up, and we're using the air compressor to work our way through the painting. So what we've done is diluting the actual paint into the hopper. We're doing that with around about sort of a quarter of the paint, and then the rest 3/4 with water to basically dilute it. We're basically pouring the paint we're stirring it first, pouring that paint into a little pot. Then that pot is being poured into the hopper, and a watered down solution goes into there, pours into there. Watered down solution goes straight into the hopper. Really nice solution. So we're going to take a little bit look. We're running an extension cable, a very noisy air compressor, so sorry about that. And as you can see here, what Lewis is doing at the moment is working his magic on the wall. So we've got the top hopper at the top, and then the spray gun, so around about sort of 10 to 15 centimeters away from the wall, performing an even spread across that. Obviously, as you can see here, it looks a slightly different color from here to here, and that is because of obviously the paint is wet. Once that all dries, it will look really even, just like that one is forming. So we've just done a little bit there and there, as you can see. So that does look slightly different. However, it is looking really cool. So if you are looking to paint a wall, you can do it yourself. You can either hire these from like HSS Hire or anywhere online. You can hire these air compressors, or you can go buy one like we did. So the compressor is quite noisy, so I really apologize about that. But this is the compressor that we're using, just so you can see that. If you want to purchase this same one, by all means you can do. But it's working really well for us. So the paint was from Amazon actually. Found that that was one of the cheapest place for the paint. Again, might be wrong on that, but that's what I could find in the time that I had to look for paint. So, and also we use this on the last one as well. So it's performing really well. It's going on really smoothly, really evenly, and it's giving a really nice new look, which we're really happy with. So it was one of those things that when I was actually doing the looking into painting next door in 2018, I couldn't find a really good video on this style of barn style painting, because nobody really did that. So what we're doing is basically, so we don't get any oversprays, masking up, and also doing we've just put some cardboard down on the floor to not mark the floor with any paint. So it just gives a fresh new look. And we didn't have anyone that had basically seen a video that basically painted a unit and like this, and I didn't know what to use. So I struggled a little bit. We painted with a brush to start with, and then we started finding different solutions. We tried the roller solution, but this is by far the best solution. A compressor plus little hopper, you just put watered down paint in and it goes on a treat. It does take 4 or 5 coats. I mean, Lewis started on this, so if you can see what he's done so far, from that wall to there, all the 3 parts here. So that was all done. He started at around about sort of 10 o'clock. Currently it is 2 p.m, 2:14. So in a couple of hours or so, he's already done sort of 2 fully finished walls near enough, and the final layers are going on to this wall here. So it doesn't take that long to do. We've got 1, 2, 3 to do this side as well. This one's not going to be done because that's going to all be knocked out in the following week, which we'll do a separate video on so you can see the progress of what's going on there. This wall's got to be done, and the electrics are all being running this weekend as well. And then we've got one part there and this part. So there's not actually that much to do. Normally in a unit you'd have this back part here, which we don't have obviously because that's already green. Looks really nice, and I'm really happy with the way this is coming out. So it's really happy that everything's going really nicely. It's going on nice and smoothly, and it's making a world of difference. A lot brighter, a lot nicer, looks like new, and it's going to be absolutely epic. So make sure you guys come by, see us. But best thing to do, if you've enjoyed the video, I know it's something slightly different, not that we normally do on our YouTube channel, but make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you soon.